Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Diem token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Diem transforms AI compute from a service you rent into an on-chain assets you own. Tokenized intelligence. Each Diem token represents $1 per day of Vance API capacity that never expire and never changes value. Diem are ERC20 tokens on base and can be transferred, traded, and staked. Diem can only be minted by looking staked VVV, making Diem and VVV foundational assets for on-chain AI. Tokenizing intelligence with Diem creates new possibilities. Developer agents, 1 Diem equal to $1 per day. Vanish API access. Forever VVV holders monetize unused compute as Diem, earn yard, buyback, later to unlock VVV apps, fixed AI cost, guaranteed capacity, no variable API, builds on-chain economy agents on their intelligence, DeFi collateralized compute. Diem project institution rating is 3.5. Diem token total supply is around 37.33 thousand and circulating supply is around 38,000. Diem token is listed on Coinbase, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chance is that it is a good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.